Hi, welcome to the Create Studio channel. I'm Jemma, and today we're going to be making greeting card signs to hang around your home. This is a fun project for cards that you might have that you thought were inspiring or had good messages that you wish you could keep and do something fun with. They're also fun to share with other people, and perhaps if you go out for a little drive, you can drop one off at a friend's house, hang it on their front door. So you're going to want a greeting card of some kind, something that's inspiring or joyful to you. This one says bloom where you're planted. This one is just roam and the idea of traveling to faraway places. And this one is great if you have a beach theme. So I'm going to take the one that is the bloom where you're planted, and I'm going to cut the card open. So I just want to take off the front of the card. That's the part that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to have a backing, and I'm going to use another food box like we did the other day when we made furniture, but this time we're going to use it to make a back so that the card is sturdier. So then we're going to use a little ribbon to make it a hanging sign. And I picked something with red in it, which is also in my card. It's what I had, but it happens to match. So you're going to take your two pieces and you can put them down and just use a pencil or pen and trace right around the shape. No ruler needed. And then cut it out. And it'll be the same size as your card. If you cut ever so slightly inside the line that you traced, then it will definitely be just slightly smaller than your card, so it won't show from the back to the front. And if you, when you cut this out and you're going to glue it on, we're going to glue it so that the picture side is going to be hidden away. And that also means you have a blank space where you could write a message if you were going to give it away to somebody else. So we're going to have our two parts go together like this. So we're almost done. Then we're going to take a little bit of our string or ribbon. So you can use ribbon or string. And I'm just going to cut mine off. Today, for the sake of simplicity, I am using a glue stick. So I'm just going to get my glue stick started. I'm going to be liberal with it, which means I'm going to put a lot of glue stick glue all over my card. And I'm going to put it, make sure I definitely get some along the top of the card where the ribbon is going to go. And then this ribbon kind of has a mind of its own, but I'm going to bend it so it's the shape I want. And it's going to take a little time to dry, so it won't be 100% ready unless you use a hot glue gun. And I'm just going to put them together. This ribbon is going to be a little bit persnickety on me. So perhaps it's better that I do it like a sandwich and slide it in. And then you have a greeting card tag to hang around or sign. Oops, we're upside down. So we got to go this way. That's something to pay attention to when you're making it. Make sure you hang it the right direction. Things happen. Okay, so now we have it. I need to let this dry for, a couple hours before I want to hang it up. But it's a nice idea, and it's a fun way to keep the cards you have. Hope you enjoyed it. Have fun creating yours at home, and I will see you next time.